In this next very important training video, I will teach you how to write a brilliant, attention-grabbing CV that is guaranteed to significantly increase your chances of getting hired. If you are applying for any job role with any organization, make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because the tips, sample CV and cover letter I am about to give you will help you get hired. And just very quickly, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thousands of you are getting hired at the first attempt. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button, because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Okay, to help you get hired at the first attempt, I will teach you the following 4 things in this video. Number 1, I will quickly tell you the purpose of a CV and cover letter and what the hiring manager will use them for. If you understand what a CV and cover letter are used for as part of the hiring process, your chances of success will increase significantly. Number 2, I will then tell you the 7 sections to include in your CV. Number 3, I will then give you a brilliant CV personal statement and cover letter to write down that are guaranteed to grab the attention of the hiring manager. And then finally, number 4, I will tell you where you can instantly download my brilliant ready-made CV templates and cover letter examples. Okay, to begin with, let me quickly tell you the purpose of a CV and cover letter. Please take notes. A CV, which is short for Curriculum Vitae, is an itemized list of a candidate's education, experiences, accomplishments, achievements, and certifications. A CV should ideally be no more than 2 to 3 sides of A4. It must be free from grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. Now, along with your cover letter, the CV is the first thing a hiring manager will read to quickly determine whether you have the necessary skills, experience, and passion to do the job properly. And a cover letter is a single-page professional letter that you submit along with your CV when applying for any job. The cover letter is a piece of persuasive writing that shows your passion for the job and why you have applied. Okay, now that we know what a CV and cover letter are, let me tell you the 7 sections to include in your CV to make it appealing to any hiring manager. Please take notes. CV section number 1 is your contact details. At the top of your CV, include your name, email address, and direct contact number. Make sure the answer phone message assigned to your contact number sounds professional. If the hiring manager calls you to invite you along to the interview and they get an unprofessional answer phone message, they may hang up. CV section number 2 is your personal statement. This is one of the most important parts of your CV. So your personal statement is a short introductory statement that outlines your key skills and qualities and why you will be a great fit for the job you have applied for. The personal statement should explain your passion for the role and include details as to why you stand out from the competition. Your personal statement should be between 200 and 300 words long. CV section number 3 is your education background. Now, in this part of your CV, include details of the schools, colleges, and universities you have attended, subjects studied, and grades attained. Write these in chronological order. This means putting your most recent education achievements first. CV section number 4 is your work experience. Now, in this next important part of your CV, you should include details of, again in chronological order, your work history. Make sure you include the name of the employer, the position you held, and brief details of your main responsibilities. In this section, you can also include details of voluntary work and work experience placements. CV section 5 is your achievements. Now, in this next section of your CV, write down brief details in bullet points of any key achievements you have gained in your life so far. Ideally, these will come from previous work positions, but you can also include details of professional certifications and training courses completed, honours and awards, languages, sporting achievements, and charity work. CV section number 6 is your hobbies and interests. In this next section of your CV, write down brief details, again in bullet points, of your hobbies and interests. Now, good hobbies and interests to include here include physical fitness activities, team sports, playing musical instruments, being part of community groups and societies, and reading, to name just a few. CV section number 7 is references. Again, this is really important. A reference is a professional individual who is willing to vouch for your credibility as an employee and your ability to do the job competently in the role you have applied for. Now, 90% of candidates put references available upon request on this section of their CV, but this is a mistake. I strongly recommend including the names of 2 people who are willing to act as a reference for you. Make sure you ask their permission first before including them on your CV. Now, if the hiring manager sees the names of 2 people who will vouch for your professionalism, it will definitely increase the chances of you getting invited to an interview. Okay, now that we know the different sections to include in your CV, let me give you a brilliant example personal statement that is guaranteed to grab the attention of the hiring manager. I will then give you the perfect cover letter. Please take notes. Personal statement for all job roles. Here we go. I am a highly motivated and results-driven professional with a diverse background and a proven track record of success. My passion for this industry has driven me to continuously seek opportunities for growth and development, making me a versatile candidate for a wide range of job roles. I have a track record of achievement which I will replicate in this position. In my last role, I was praised by my manager for my flexibility with my job description and how I contributed new ideas to help the company grow. I am known for my exceptional communication skills, both written and verbal, which enable me to collaborate effectively with cross-functional teams and convey complex ideas in a clear and concise manner. I thrive under pressure and am adept at prioritizing tasks to meet important deadlines. Furthermore, my commitment to continuous improvement drives me to stay up to date with industry trends and emerging technologies. I am confident that my adaptability, teamwork, and dedication make me a valuable asset to any organization. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute my skills and expertise to a forward-thinking company like insert their company name. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of attending an interview where I can discuss how my background aligns with your needs and how I can make a positive impact on your team. Okay, just before I give you a brilliant cover letter to send with your CV, if you want to download instantly my editable, ready-made CV and cover letter templates, click that link right now. Okay, so here is my brilliant example cover letter. Don't forget, your cover letter is designed to grab the attention of the hiring manager and persuade them to read your CV. Your cover letter can be sent as an email if you are applying for the job online. Here we go. Cover letter example, here we go. Dear Sir, Madam, RE application for insert the name of the job role you are applying for. I am attaching my CV supporting my application to work at, insert the company name, in the position of, insert the name of the position. Having studied the job description carefully, I believe my skills, qualities, knowledge and experience will empower me to contribute positively to your team and give you a great return on my salary. While I respect and appreciate that you will have many strong candidates, I genuinely believe my passion for this industry, strong work ethic and values that align with your companies make me an ideal candidate. I am seeking long-term employment with your company. My commercial awareness and flexibility with my job description mean I can add value to your team and help you achieve your commercial goals. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Yours faithfully, insert your name and direct contact telephone number. Okay, so there you have it. Lots of tips, a sample CV and cover letter to help you get hired at the first attempt. Now, the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further, is make sure you click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my ready-made editable CV templates and cover letters that are suitable for all job roles. If you want to download all my ready-made templates and cover letters, click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thousands of you are getting hired at the first attempt. I can only help you if you are subscribed. Please hit the like button because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It is always a pleasure and an honor to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best for getting hired. Have a great day.